Hey y'all. Well, I'm here and I have to send pictures of the dashboard to show there's no ABS light on, so it can get us out of service. So that's what I'm about to do. Let's crank her up so I can get this done. Oh, it was so cold last night. I told him that was gonna do that. Here in Texas, it was so cold. And so now the battery is gonna need to be charged. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, so we've been in the truck, so our battery charger is not with us. We don't keep that high-ass thing in the truck. So we're gonna run to the house and go get that. But then I'm also on my way to get my DOT physical because it's due in December and I'm off right now. So why not take advantage of the time I have free? Let me get started, y'all. Let me go. Okay. Why I can't never get him to be cooperative, y'all. Only thing he got to do is put this on this truck. He know it's not hard. It don't take a long time. But look at him.
I don't never complain. That's what you rank, King. I don't never complain. I'm working 24 hours. And I'm on the pay. How about that?
Stop that line. Look, you like...
I'm 13 years in the game. You know my total high. But you lucky my wife. That's the only reason why you get a discount.
Let me get in this truck. He gonna tell me to open the truck, but then he gonna put the battery on there.
I actually did say that.
Oh. All right, we about to try this again, y'all. We're about to try to crank this truck again. This time we got a trusty thing on there. Okay. Let's see. Come on now. It still say low battery voltage, but let's see if it cranks. There we go, boo-boo. There we go. Back in business, baby. Let me go ahead and take this picture, send it to these folks so we can get back in service. All right. Okay, I think that's charging long enough because I need to go get this DOT physical done. And I have to come back later once Amazon arrives with the new filter, air filter. And I also ordered something else to do a little more maintenance on this truck before we do actually get rolling. Because I know when we get rolling this time, we're going to be rolling. So, all right. Let's get on to the next place. We're waiting. He just in here doing nothing.
This is Officer Brian O'Connor. I'm on
Be back. All right. We got that done. Medical card in hand. All right. That was easy peasy. Hey, we finally made it back to the truck. Our Amazon packages came. This one right here is going to be the engine air filter. We got it from Amazon and it arrived on time. Well, not as early as they said, but it did arrive. Let's see how it came and how it looks. Let me flip this one back. Ooh, that's a big thing. It doesn't look like it should be that big, y'all, off inside of there, but it is. It is actually big. This is the engine air filter. And this is how it comes. It's comes wrapped in plastic, I guess, so you don't get any debris on it before you install it. Alright. That's how it looks on both sides. Okay, y'all, this is where the filter is, and there are four screws. There's one at the top, there's one up there, there's one up there, one under there. When we first got started, I thought I was going to take it off, so I was trying. I got all the bolts off, but the one on the right just would not come off. So he had to start doing it because I didn't have done it. That bottom screw, it looks so rusty. I think they just like stuck in there. And we're trying not to break the plastic in no kind of way. I'm not trying to replace it. It's a nut holding on the back. So we gotta go around? Look, I'm still trying to loosen it. That screw just will not come out. Lubricant. So let me go get him a white. Everybody can see off the shop tab. Hey, sheets. Here you go. We are at the truck stop. I am so sorry about all the noise in the background, but you know it's loud at the truck stop. Just that one bolt back there in the bag that do not want to come out. At this point, we're just trying tools to get it pulled out.
Some more.
This was supposed to be such a easy job, but this one bolt, screw, whatever, is stuck in here. Alright, y'all, we finally got it off. We did what we had to do. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, it's time for a change. And it just slides out. Oh, the backside still look good. I think they be live here sometimes because our filter was in there. Look how clean I've been here. We ain't even got to do nothing to clean the inside out. Yeah, it's really clean. The vent is dirty, but he was talking like it was so bad. Look at this. It ain't that bad to me. It's still blue on the other side. If it was real, real bad, you know, I think that it would even be. I still see a little blue. So we gonna change it. Yeah. Okay. Side by side with the blue one. It's filthy. Yeah, it's filthy side by side. Let's see, let's get a little closer up a little bit. But okay, let's replace it and move on to the next. Then just slide in the way it came out, push it all the way in, make sure it's in. The screws didn't come out, so it should be easy just to find the hole and replace them and push them in until you can screw them in. Alright, it's on. Look at that nice little pretty blue thing up there. Okay. That's how you install the engine air filter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to...
Me and my wife be all on the road, we moving them loads. All of the time we catching them plays.